Hi friends, I'm Mac, your tutor for TuteBy. Welcome back guys. Today we will understand about very confusing topic in C, that is storage class variable. I think most of you are aware about names but still confused how to use this in our daily basis in coding. Then you're in right place. In this video we will discuss with you. Let's start. Now you can see my screen. Let's understand about what is variable. Variable is like room, where you can store any value there. One room can allot one person. Same one variable can hold one value at a time. For example, variable name varum is hold value of 7. Then whenever you knock the varum, you will get here 7 value. I hope you have understood about variable. Let's move storage class. Variable storage class is all about life cycle, just like school, college, hostels. If you're studying in school for 3 years, then you will stay in hostel room for 3 years. But what about after 3 years? After 3 years, same hostel room allotted to new students. This is cyclic process. And same process is happen in programming. When you allot value to variable, that may not permanent in that case when variable life cycle will complete. It will free the space which is occupied by variable. Now the question is how to find variable life cycle. Now you can see 2 programs with same outcomes. In right side code varum room is declared before main with value of 7. When you execute this code, output will be 7. In left side you code where we vary rum using a custom function and also try to print in main function. When you compile this code, you will get compilation error in main function print statement. This because of life cycle of varum. Custom function first line is variable declaration with value of 7 and next print statement. There is nothing is wrong. But in main function, there are no significations of varum. Because varum is local variable and local variable life cycle is only within the function that is custom function. So varum executed and destroy after ending of custom function execution. So there is no variable is exist in main function, and it shows compilation error. Let's execute this and verify. After comment this line, it's executing successfully. Storage class has 4 types: auto, extern, static, and register. Before this, let's see some terminologies. This is block. This is entire program. And this is global and local. First is automatic storage class. This is default type of variable. Example, int varum. These are some characteristics of auto. This is like hostel room. Defined within a block. Scope is limited to the block it's declared in. Lifetime is from declaration to the end of the block. Memory is allocated on the stack and automatically released when the block exits. Second is static storage class. These are some characteristics of static. This is like blank page. Let's see how. Suppose you are writing essay and during the writing you have take break and after some time you again started writing essay. Now you have 2 options. First is start from beginning and second resume from last line. Now tell me which one you choose. Right, you will choose resume last from last line. That is static variable. Let's see small example. This is example C. TuteBy is external function, which is called 2 times in main function. Let's see the output. You can see whenever function called it reset the local value. But see now, after adding static now it's not same. Actually it's persist last value. That is static storage class. Defined within a block. Scope is similar to automatic storage, but lifetime persists even after the block exits. Memory is allocated statically and retains its value between function calls. Third is extern storage class. Suppose there is 2.c file, which couple together. First file is main.c and second file is custom.c. And custom.c have a variable name interim with value of 5. And I want to print this in main.c. So let s try first. See there is error of variable is not declared. So let's call the my variable from custom.c. Now again, execute. Now see the result 5 printed by main.c. This is use of extern. Explanation with book language used to declare variables defined elsewhere in the program. Scope is global, accessible throughout the program. Lifetime starts from its first declaration and lasts until the program ends. Memory is allocated statically. Last one register storage class, which is rarely used. When you declared this with variable, it means you wanted to store this variable to direct CPU registers. It is used for fast processing of variables. Register storage class. Suggestion to the compiler to store the variable in a CPU register for faster access. Scope and lifetime are similar to automatic storage. Only works for simple variables and compiler has the final decision. Not recommended due to limited register size and unpredictable compiler behavior. Let's see example. We can't make difference because both operation is in fraction of milliseconds. I hope now storage class should be clear to all. You can go to our website for make details. If you have any doubt, comment me down. Thanks for watching our videos. Please do like and subscribe our channel.